Hi viewers, how are you? I hope all of you will be fine. Dear students, I was thinking that students are nowadays busy in preparation for the exams, for the term exam. So I was thinking, why not to facilitate them with expected or important MCQs which are frequently repeated in different tests for induction into different departments. So today I am going to explain and practice the most repeated and the most important MCQs based on the subject of assessment, measurement and evaluation. This is the most important subject in the sense because it is a gateway to educational research. It is consisted of tools designing, data collection tools, the difference between assessment, measurement, evaluation, and it is also based on the S.B. Bloom's taxonomy of educational objectives. So, keeping the importance of the subject in mind, I have made my effort to facilitate you with a few important MCQs. So let's start. The first MCQs is the process of assigning a number to the performance of a person. It means that students are frequently involved in performing. They perform different activities and we go for the use of numbers to mark their performance. So when there is only the marking of performance by number, that is called measurement. That is called measurement. Then MCQs 2, an instrument used to make a particular measurement is called test. Remember, test is the data collection tool and it is the foundation for measurement, it is the foundation for evaluation as well. So, an instrument used to make a particular measurement is called test. 3. Numerical in nature and is the result of measurement is data. Measurement is awarding numerical representation to data. Then 4, part of a subgroup, a sample of the given population where every member has equal chance of inclusion or selection is called random sampling. Sampling is the selected portion from the population of the research, and that sample selection is based on various methods, in which one of the method is known as random sampling, in which every member of the subgroup is having the the maximum possibility of selection. 5. The measuring scale including absolute zero is ratio scale. Dear students, it is also represented by NIR. NIR means nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale and ratio scale. So these are measurement scales, and in ratio scale there is the presence of absolute zero. 6. Score that represents the exact 50% of the group is called median. Median means that 50% of the exact score is represented by median. These are three: mean, mode, and median. The score that occurs the most is mode. This is the second type, means the repeated number of score is called mode. 8. A sum of questions is called test. Dear student, there is also test and here is also test. But the difference is in wording. It means that MCQs attempt is based on your conceptual clarity. It is also possible that they can ask an instrument used to make a particular measurement is called test, and a sum of question is called test. 9. The evaluation used to monitor the learning process is called formative. Formative evaluation is carried out during the teaching learning process to evaluate the progress of the learner, and the opposite of formative is summative evaluation, which is carried out at the end of an academic program for passing the judgment. And there is also another one that is known as diagnostic evaluation. 10. The questions having high reliability. Reliability means consistency in the score. So those questions which are highly reliable are MCQs, and these are known as objective questions. Objective questions, those in which there are allotted marks and personal likeness and dislikeness is not involved. These are known as unbiased questions. 11. The type of interview with predetermined question is known as structured interview, and the interview in which the questions are not predetermined, that is called unstructured. And the other type in which some of the questions are predetermined and some are not predetermined, that is known as semi-structured. So there are three types of interview. The first one is called structured, the second one is called unstructured, and the third one is called semi-structured. So you have to learn it. 12. The difference between maximum and minimum value is known as range. It is also a research topic. The difference between the maximum and the minimum means the highest and the lowest. The type of question used for measuring complex learning is essay type test. Essay type tests are those through which we want to evaluate the high order thinking of the learner. So essay type test, and these are also known as ERQs. ERQs means extended response question. In MCQs, the statement of the problem is called STEM. In MCQs, the incorrect answer is called destructor. Then 16, the founder of intelligence test is Alfred Binet. Remember students, there is a confusion. People say that IQ was presented by Alfred Binet. No. The founder of intelligence test is Alfred Binet. 17. The formula of IQ was presented by Stern. 18. Attitude measurement is made through Likert scale. We have already discussed it. Likert scale may be dichotomous, or it may be more than 4 to 5 choices. So Likert scale is used when we want to measure the attitude. 19. Cognitive domain has 6 subclasses. Remembering, understanding, etc., etc. 6 subclasses. 20. Affective domain was classified by Rathore. Remember, Bloom cognitive, affective Rathore, and psychomotor by Simpson. Then come to 2021. Psychomotor domain was classified by Simpson in 1972. 22. Psychomotor domain has 7 subgroups. The difference between cognitive and psychomotor domain is that in cognitive domain there are 6 subclasses and in psychomotor domain there are 7. 23rd. The other name used for table of specification is test blueprint. Dear student, you have to remember this. Test blueprint is the other name used for table of specification. It is also known as task. 24. The test which measures the student's position in a group is called norm reference test. And 25. Evaluation techniques are selected on the basis of validity. So dear students, you are requested to prepare this question thoroughly. It will be very much helpful to you if you are going to appear for different types of tests. Be happy. Thank you very much.